Hi everybody, Mr. Russo here. This video is about the Reflection Point 1 assignment that's due on the 10th of February. I have created an announcement that's going to provide you tips and strategies how to best do this assignment. Click on this link. The announcement will open up to a full screen, and then you can carefully read the information that we're providing. Read the content, go to the websites provided. If they're there, please don't submit files with the star key or pages or archive. And then read the announcement on the file extensions for that if you're not understanding why. I'm strongly, very, very strongly suggesting you use the template. And the template will provide this information or will organize this information for you so that it makes it just so much simpler and quicker to get this assignment done. Typically, I find a very high percentage of students who do not use templates miss important components of the assignment and, of course, do not receive the mark that they may have if they would have done all of the assignment as expected. Now, what is it going to look like when you get to that page? Here's the page, the assignment Reflection Point 1. Here's the link for the template. The template will look like this. I'm going to enable it so maybe it'll look a little better. The first part of your chart is the wellness definitions. These need to be defined in your own words. The more information you give, the greater the depth, plus providing examples is how you will achieve top marks. The second part of our chart are the areas of growth, and this is a self-analysis. This is all about you. This course is all about you, really. And the third part of the chart is the social determinants. This is more personal versus the wellnesses, which can be personal, and it can also be more global. Here, you need to pick 5 of these. The more depth and detail you give, using personal examples, the better your mark, and the better your understanding what we're expecting you to get from this assignment. Be clear, though, if you're a little bit uncomfortable sharing an example, then maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you want to think of something a little less personal, or not so much less personal as maybe less embarrassing for you, whatever. If you're not comfortable with sharing something, then please don't share that. But we do want examples, and we do want it to be as personal as possible. We want this, as we want everything in our course, to be real and of value for you. Okay, so once we're done, I'm done with this. I'm going to move to the actual lessons that you need to read. You will need to read Lesson 8, the Wellness Wheel Focus. You need to read this information. You need to go to Lesson 9, the Social Determinants of Health. You need to carefully review this information. And then, when you have completed that template, navigation bar, you've got your assignments link. You will click on this link. It will take you to this page. And this page has the rubric, and it has what you need to click on in order to upload that file. So you'll add the file, and then you'll go submit. Right. Now, this is how I mark. I look at the rubric. If you give me a sentence or two that covers basically what you've done, you'll get 2 out of 4, 50%. And if you provide information and it's basic, anything basic will give you a 2 out of 4. So you understand it, but you're not providing a lot of information. You're not providing examples. The depth of your discussion is limited. As you provide more information, more depth, more understanding of what we're after, the better mark you will receive. So if you find these criteria a little difficult to understand, just focus on providing as much depth and information as you can, supported with personal examples or examples that might be more generic. And that's how you will achieve the best mark for this course. The more effort you put in, the better mark you'll receive. It's going to be as simple as that. Now, back to our home page here. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I'll do my best to help you out. And good luck and take care. Bye now.